Every day, teams like yours are stuck using old, manual, error-prone tools that were simply not built for today's fast-moving, interconnected world. These old tools diminish your success, making it nearly impossible to deliver the results you need. eOceans fixes this. We've put everything you need into one seamless, science-grade platform so you can focus your time and budget on moving effectively and efficiently towards your goals. It works for any organization in any area, supporting over 1 billion variable combinations anywhere on Earth. Spin up a project in less time than your last meeting and start putting your time, energy, and budget where they truly count. For projects that matter, get powered by eOceans anywhere on our blue planet.